Hi, everybody. My name is Jiří. I'm the director of the Educational Pathway National Center at the Maureen Valley Community College. And today I have here one of my dear colleagues, Dr. Sean Reddy from the University of North Carolina in Pembroke. Sean was actually one of our participants at the incubator that we ran at the University of Colorado Springs this past summer. And he is here to talk a little bit about the project and what he actually learned and what he was able to achieve over here. So welcome, Sean. If you would just briefly describe the value of teaching the crypto to the students and the importance of the CrypTool in demonstrating the crypto and Stego principles and procedures.
In this day and age, it's very good. I mean, if students can learn, how to apply cryptographic concepts in a practical way, and the CrypTool gives the platform where students can work out things practically.
Perfect. Thank you. And I understand that you did some exciting project that helps validate the students' understanding of cryptography. Can you just briefly describe the project that you worked on?
Yes. We have developed a challenge where students can work out, how to conquer a quest, and they will be given a series of questions. They will be given out some hexadecimal format information, and they will be decoding it. They will be using the CrypTool to kind of dig into what and all are the advanced encryption standards, and through the encryption standards, they will be able to solve a series of questions. And each of these questions have like the sequential format, so they have to crack the answers one by one. And for example, if you can see over here, this is a CrypTool and this is a DES cipher. And to make this work, all we have to do is, there will be some text which was written out over here, and there will be the key, that gets, there is a block size. We can give like 7. Since this is a DES cipher, there is a stipulated key length, and they have all different parameters which they can change from encryption and back again to decrypt the message. They can use this tool, and once they click the play button, the text and the key gets encrypted. This is the encrypted text, and if they can apply the encrypted text over here, and if they try to decrypt it, they'll get the text back.
Fantastic. That looks very exciting. Okay, it seems like a very good project and a great tool that you went over here. What would you say is your perception of the incubator itself? Did you enjoy the collaborative environment with other faculties? What do you think about the materials or the projects that you guys actually developed?
It was a fantastic experience for me, and it enables faculty a synergy point where they can progressively, collectively, they can create some innovative materials to hand out to students and to work out in the classrooms. Yes, it was a good experience.
All right. Thank you so much for joining us today. The labs will be available on the NDG, and they will be shared with the CAE community. They will be, of course, in a public domain, so all the students at the CAE communities and all the institutions will have access to it. Thank you very much for watching. That's all for us.